High availability. AutoSys Web UI installation on Windows in high availability mode. In this module, we will learn how to install AutoSys Web UI in high availability mode on Windows. Prerequisites and considerations. To install Web UI, the recommended machine memory size is 8 GB RAM. An instance of CAEM must be installed and accessible. To install Web UI in high availability mode, specify an external database for the Web UI DB that another Web UI instance is using. The internal database included with Web UI is not compatible with high availability. When installing Web UI in high availability mode, all Web UI instances in the group must be of the same version. If the database you specify for the Web UI database is used with another Web UI instance, the option to install Web UI in high availability mode appears. For more information, refer to the AutoSys workload automation documentation. In this video, we will install AutoSys Web UI on high availability on the Windows platform. We already have a Web UI server installed in single server mode. We installed it on the server UI PRIW. If we go to the Windows server and check the status of the services, they are already running on the UI PRIW server. This server will be the primary server. Now, we are going to install the Web UI on this server, UISECW, which will be the secondary Web UI server. We go to the Windows AutoSys installation DVD. Execute the install program under Administrator and wait until it launches. The installation wizard appears. Click Next. Accept the license agreement and click Next to continue. Click Next to install the product. Select the custom option and click Next. Select the Java bundled with the product and click Next. Uncheck all the components selected by default. Then we select the Web UI component, also known as WCC. The additional required components are selected automatically. We enter the installation path for the Web UI and the shared components. We leave the default for both. We don't enable FIPS 142 encryption. We are going to use Microsoft SQL Server. We will use the database that the primary Web UI is already using, so there is no need to create the database schema. We will use the database user and password already created for the primary Web UI server database. We enter the properties of the primary Web UI server database. The database server name. The database name. We will use the same database for reporting. The installation program detects the database is already configured with a Web UI. The only option available is to configure this Web UI for high availability. We select the Yes option. We want to configure it for high availability. Now, it is asking for the password of the administrator user for the CAEM server that has already been registered in the database for the primary Web UI. The installation is connecting now to the database to get the configuration information. the web collector component. We leave the default name and port numbers. We choose to start the services at system startup for both services. We are ready to install. Click on the Install button to begin the installation. The installation was completed successfully. We press Done. We have completed the installation of the secondary web UI. Let's start the services. We start the CAWCC service. And now the two services are running. Let's go to an internet browser to log into the web UI and verify if it is configured correctly. We open a new tab and enter the secondary web UI URL. We log in with the AutoSys EJM Commander user. The first time we access the dashboard, we notice that all configurations have already been set up and the AutoSys server is available. We can view the same information as seen on the primary server from the secondary server without any further configuration actions necessary. Because we are using the same database, the configuration has been automatically set up. We can confirm this in the configuration section and no additional action is required. We have completed the installation of AutoSys Web UI in high availability on the Windows platform. In this module, we have learned how to install AutoSys Web UI in high availability on Windows. To install an AutoSys Web UI instance in high availability, we provide an external database that is used by another Web UI instance. Both instances share the database and see all updates. If the database we specify for the Web UI database is used with another Web UI instance, the option to install Web UI in high availability mode appears.